Apollo 13 flight controllers, listen up. Give me a go, no-go for launch. Booster.
Go.
Retro.
Go.
Vital.
We go fly.
Guidance.
Guidance go.
Surgeon.
Go flight.
Econ.
We'll go flight.
GNC.
We'll go.
Tell me.
Go.
Control.
Go flight.
Procedures.
Go.
Inco.
Go.
FAO.
We are go.
Network.
Go.
Recovery.
Go.
Capcom.
We're go flight.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
Roger that, Houston. Pad leader, what's your status?
We are go for launch.
Mickey's message from Mars.
Counting.
Hi, everybody. I was hoping to see you today.
You see that? Blue, blue, yellow, green. Blue, blue, yellow, green. The lights are flashing in a pattern. A repeating pattern of flashing lights can mean only one thing. It's a message, is what?
Let's get a closer look. Huh? The message sender is someone who looks like me.
It's a Martian Mickey. Ooh.
A Martian me? God.
Oh, mouse galore. We need a favor. We saw lights flashing a message from Mars. They flashed like blue, blue, yellow, green. Blue,
Go for launch.
blue, yellow,
T-minus
green.
15.
So what does it
14,
mean already?
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Time for the countdown. Done. Would you begin with the numbers? Counting down. From 10 to 1, please.
today.
Right, 4. And Pete wanted 3 beans for each space traveler.
So, do you remember how many beans we gave Pete altogether? Right, 12.
See you later, space explorers.